starts, a warm little song straight from the heart. Veggie soup dancing, simple and true, with Maltese cheeselets melting through. Start by preparing the veg so bright. Cabbage and courgette, a wholesome delight. Broccoli, carrot, celery too. Nature's colors in every hue. Fill the pan with water so clear. When it starts to boil, the magic is near. In go the vegetables one by one, a gentle simmer, the song's begun. Add chicken cube for flavor deep, tomato paste and a crimson sweet. Place a plate with water on top. Let the aroma rise and never stack. When almost ready, smash them all. Turn chunky dreams to velvet sprawl. Back to the pan they softly fall, a creamy chorus loved by all. Now the star, cheeselets divine, swirl and melt in a silken line. Add some water if needed, so light. Keep it cooking just right, just right. Plate it up, steam curling high, a bowl of comfort beneath the sky. Take a spoon, enjoy the bliss, a song, a soup, a